Hello, a very good evening, students. So let's continue with Heron's formula. As in my last video, I have explained you three questions on the basis of quadrilaterals. Now I will do more question on the basis of quadrilateral, but they are different from the previous ones. So listen carefully and let's continue. So the first question is, find the area of field which is in the shape of a trapezium. It means here we have an idea that the field is in the shape of a trapezium. Like this. Having parallel sides are 20 and 42 meter. So this would be 20 meter and this would be 42 meter. And non-parallel sides are 21 and 23. So this would be 21 and this would be 23 meter. And we need to find the area. So first of all, as we have studied, that area of trapezium, normally the normal formula of area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. We have sum of parallel sides, but we do not have height. So in order to find the height, we need to apply some tricks. Let's do some construction. Okay, so let it be ABCD, and we have just made a construction over here CE, okay, such that AD is parallel to CE and CD is parallel to AE. AD is parallel to CE and CD is parallel to AE. Is it clear? Just we only we have draw CE parallel to AD. Normally to complete the parallelogram AECD. Now AECD is a parallelogram. So if it is a parallelogram, total height of AB is 42 meter. So AE would become 20 meter and AB would become 22 meter. Hence its total side. I hope you are clear with this step. Don't get confused over here. I have just construct one line which is parallel to AD and that line is CE sorry. ठीक है, एक लाइन मैंने कंस्ट्रक्ट करी है जो AD के पैरेलल है CE पे. ये मैंने कंस्ट्रक्ट इसलिए करी है ताकि AECD एक पैरेललोग्राम बन जाए. अगर ये पैरेललोग्राम बन गया तो जो CD 20 था वो AE भी 20 हो जाएगा और EB क्या बचेगा 22. अब यहाँ पे देखो आप, अगर AD 21 है, therefore CE would also become 21 meter. Okay, and let's construct CF. CF is parallel to AB, hence CF is the height. Don't get confused. I will explain you once again. Given that ABCD is a trapezium, so हमने क्या किया, AD के पैरेलल एक CE लाइन कंस्ट्रक्ट करी सच दैट AD इज पैरेलल टू CE. अब AD 21 था तो CE भी कितना हो गया 21, CD 20 था और AE कितना हो गया 20. AB की इंटायर लेंथ थी 42 मीटर. अगर ये 20 हो गया तो EB कितना बचा 22. तो और उसके बाद मैंने एक हाइट कंस्ट्रक्ट कर ली CF विच परपेंडिकुलर टू AB. क्लियर? अब हमने करना क्या इस केस में, we will take a triangle CEB in which we have CE 21, AB 22 and CB 23 meter. So by applying Heron's formula, we will find its area. And once if area is find out, we will find it the height. In triangle EBC, we have EB 22, clear? perimeter would become 22, 24 to 6, and its semi perimeter would become 33 meter. Now इलेवन, 10, 9. ओके, सो इसका हम अगर सॉल्व करते हैं वी विल गेट विद द आंसर 66√10 meters. So we have come with the area that is 66√10 meter. Now we have an area of triangle ABC, so we can find out its height. एरिया कितना था आपका 66√10, बेस साइज में 22, टू 3 3 to 6, so height would become 6√10 meter. Now we have done with the height, that is 6√10 meter. Now area of trapezium क्या होता है? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Sum of parallel sides is 20 plus 42. Height is 6√10. It would become 186√10 meter square. Okay, so I have just simply multiplied 32 by 6, then √10 would as it is. So this is your answer. Now next question is, find the area of a parallelogram given in figure. Also find the length of the altitude from vertex A on the side CD. Vertex A from side CD. Now first of all we will just find out the area of triangle BCD by using Heron's formula. Okay, so let us find out. In triangle BCD, BC is 17, CD is 12 and BD is 25. So its perimeter would become 54 centimeter and centimeter would become 27 centimeter. And 27 multiply by 15 as 27 minus 12 15, 27 minus 17 10, 27 minus 25 2. तो इसका ओवरऑल सॉल्व करके आ जाएगा हमारे पास 90 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब जिनकी मैं कैलकुलेशन स्किप कर रही हूँ, मेक श्योर कि आप सारे क्वेश्चंस को डबल और ट्रिपल बारी रिवाइज करोगे. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज ये सारे क्वेश्चन एग्जाम्पलरी क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड देयर आर मेनी मोर चांसेस टू फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन टू कम इन एग्जाम्स. नाउ हमारे पास आ गया ये. नाउ वी हैव गिवन कि ये एक पैरेललोग्राम है, इनकी ABCD एक है आपका पैरेललोग्राम. ठीक है, तो AB CD 12 होंगे, AD एंड BC 17 होंगे. इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BCD. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल कितना था आपका 90, तो एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आ जाएगा 180 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. क्लियर. अब हमने इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व तो कर दिया. वी हैव कम विद द एरिया 180 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ एक और चीज गिवन है, ऑल्सो फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द ऑल्टीट्यूड फ्रॉम वर्टेक्स ऑन द साइड BC. यानी कि हमको ये हाइट निकालनी है. ठीक है, तो हाइट हम कैसे निकालते हैं? बेस इंटू हाइट. एरिया कितना था 180, बेस है इसका 12 सेंटीमीटर इंटू हाइट. हाइट इज इक्वल टू 180 अपॉन 12. क्लियर. हाइट भी आपकी आ गई. इस केस में हमने एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम भी निकाल लिया. सो दिस इज अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन विच कैन कम एन एग्जाम ऑफ Heron's formula. So we are done with today's video. These two questions, just revise it thoroughly, and if any doubt, then WhatsApp me. Till then, bye bye, take care.